Auction.com is redefining real estate investment. We connect motivated buyers with the best opportunities for bidding on and buying foreclosures and bank-owned properties. That's because we built the largest marketplace where sellers transact with interested buyers looking to invest in real estate. Auction.com is an unbeatable source for real estate opportunity, with investors purchasing homes at an average gross profit potential of 35% in a 9-month period. Auction.com has the largest inventory of distressed properties in the nation. That's 7 times more than the next largest source, including exclusive listings you won't be able to find anywhere else. We've also developed powerful tools and insights to give you the advantage in your investment workflow. Auction.com educates and empowers with simple, streamlined tools to help you navigate all available auctions, whether it's an in-person auction from a ballroom in California, or the steps of a courthouse in New Jersey, or an online auction where you can bid from the comfort of your home. With the Auction.com app, you'll be able to research, monitor, and even bid on properties from anywhere. Using Auction.com couldn't be easier. Create a free account and save your favorite searches. Follow the properties you're interested in closely with custom notifications and hand-selected property recommendations. Decide if you're looking for foreclosures or bank-owned properties. Invest in foreclosure properties by saving properties of interest and going to bid in person at local auctions. Some foreclosure auctions even allow you to bid online. Education and tools like the Auction.com app are here to help you stay on top of the properties you're interested in. Invest in REO or bank-owned properties all from the comfort of your home. Research essential details on the property details page. If you see a property you like, just complete the registration process. You could then enter your bid and follow along with the activity as the auction takes place. You'll then receive a notification if you are the highest bidder and instructions on the next steps. Simply provide the information that's needed, sign documents digitally, and then complete your earnest money deposit. From here on out, Auction.com will help you and the seller through the closing process. After closing, you'll be all set to start renovations and take the next steps in your investment journey. With Auction.com, buyers are able to shop for recommended properties that match their goals and their risk tolerance, and bid, win, and close in a trusted environment. Go beyond investing, beyond homeownership, and beyond the bid with Auction.com.